So tell us about your awesome Stingray Corvette here.
Ordered it from the factory when I got back from Vietnam.
Really? What year is it?
72.
72. Very cool. So it is actually, it's one owner.
Having 143,000 on it when I tore it apart, mostly with these two hands, and mostly put back together with these two hands. So, but now it's got about 155,000 on it now. So.
I'm speeding down the road on my motorbike, devil on horseback, way out of sight. Highway behind, highway to go, wind through my hair like a racing bull.
It's got the original dash and all the molding inside, all the original molding, so I don't let sun get to it very often.
She's an old 48.
I don't blame you a bit.
State of the art, lady of speed. I get in the saddle and take the reins from Arizona to the Texas plains. She goes fast down the highway, black lightning. Black lightning. This here bike will never fail, dependable like the U.S. mail. Gets me there, gets me home, gets me to New Mexico. There she goes, fast down the highway, black lightning. Well, you'll never see the likes of me in a quiet town in Tennessee. Just biking me to 110. Never set eyes on us again. She goes fast down the highway, black lightning. Fast as she can go. You'll never set eyes on us again.
1968 Dodge Dart Hemi Super Stock Tribute. Very cool car.
Black lightning. Down at just brace, so a bright red Cadillac staring at my face. I want that Cadillac, the bright red Cadillac, with the tail lights on the back. Man, I'm telling you, Jack, give me that Cadillac. I want that Cadillac. He wants that Cadillac, the bright red Cadillac, with the tail lights on the back. Man, I'm telling you, Jack, give me that Cadillac. Around the tire stack, there was a bright red Cadillac sitting in the back. Want that Cadillac, the bright red Cadillac, with the taillights on the back. Man, I'm telling you, Jack, I want that Cadillac. Give me that Cadillac. Wants that Cadillac, the bright red Cadillac, with the taillights on the back. Man, I'm telling you, Jack, give that Cadillac. Roll me the caddy, I'll promise you that. I'll bring it back tomorrow with a chick in the back. If I had me a car that was long and lean, a bright red Cadillac will make the girl scream. I want that Cadillac, the bright red Cadillac, with the taillights on the back. Man, I'm telling you, Jack, give me that Cadillac. I want that Cadillac.